Good morning, Captain Kory here with First Cast Charters. Today is March 10th, 2020. The weather is warming up, the water temperature is warming up. There are plenty of fish here this time of year. Anytime you think of springtime fishing in Panama City, one fish comes to mind: Spanish mackerel. Okay, when you're targeting Spanish mackerel, I know there's a few different techniques that most people like to use, whether you're chunking a gotcha plug at them in the school or you're trolling. Today we're going to show you how to troll. Okay, for the leader material, you don't want to use a good quality monofilament or even a fluorocarbon leader. And then again, anywhere from 10-pound test to probably 25-pound test will work just as good. Now the bottom of the leader is where you're going to attach your spoon. These are Clark spoons. This time of year, we like to use a double aught. It's a little bit smaller. Once the water warms up and a little bit more in the summer, the bait that these fish are out here eating does get a little bit bigger, so you can use a little bit bigger spoon for that. These are actually considered a light tackle fish, so the lighter the tackle, the better. It gives you a little bit of sport. You want to use a good quality swivel. When using these spoons, it will spin on you, so you want to make sure you got a good quality swivel. From your main line, you're just going to attach a lead. The lead depends on the wind, how far you're fishing back. Just use anything from a 2 ounce to maybe a 6 ounce. This is just a simple slip lead. Again, coming from your main line, you want to attach your lead to your swivel, and then from your swivel, you're going to use your leader. So when trolling, the speed is very important. You don't want to go too fast, that way the lead and the bait skips out of the water. Anywhere between 4, 5, even 6 knots is perfect. So at the bottom end of your leader material is where you're going to put your bait. These are the Clark spoons that we talked about, or sometimes we use this, which is considered a Christmas tree gear. As you can see, it has multiple hooks spread out along that same leader material, and then at the very end is where you'll put the spoon itself. So now that you have your gear made up, let's go fishing and we'll show you how it works.